A woman and her two young daughters are undergoing treatment after allegedly consuming poison at Katteliguda in Malkangiri district. The incident took place on Sunday and all three were rushed to the Malkangiri district headquarters hospital. Doctors say their condition was critical at the time of admission. According to locals, the family had been deeply distressed following the death of the woman's husband just a week earlier. He had reportedly died by consuming poison. Police are now trying to understand what pushed the woman and her daughters to take the same step. Hospital authorities have confirmed that the trio is receiving all necessary medical support. Their condition is being monitored closely. Police have begun an inquiry and are speaking to neighbors and relatives to piece together the events leading up to the incident. Further details are awaited as the investigation progresses.
Actually, around 8:30 PM around आमे रिसीव करथिलु जने मां को तकर दुई ट्विन्स बेबी को जोटी सस्पेक्टेड ओलिएंडर पॉइजनिंग जाको में माने कनेरी मंजी विष खाई के आस्थिले बट एक्चुअली पेशेंट मोस्टली स्टेबल थिले हमर मैडम डॉक्टर पनमरांडी जे की चिकित्सा तांगर करथिले एबे से संपूर्ण भावे ठीक अछंती एवं ताकू वार्ड को शिफ्ट करा दिया जाईची जोटी की तांगर रूटीन चेकअप सब कल सकाळे तांगर करा हो।